Hey guys, this is a step-by-step video of the House Enterprise Communication app. Uh, so I believe you already have enough background about the app and the features of it. I'm just going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough of it. Okay, so this app is available on Play Store. So I go to Play Store. If I have to download that app and just search for the house, I already had searched it in the past. On this demo phone, I have this pre-installed uh, for testing purpose. So I don't have to, but if you don't have it installed on your phone, just click on install and that installs it. I click on open. Here, if you don't have the phone number and the password or the credentials of it, you have to click on verify your account. If you already are pre-registered or part of any house or any organization which is registered with us, you can verify yourself. So verification is simple. You just have to enter your phone number and it sends you one-time password that validates. It auto validates everything. Okay, but since I have a demo, I'm sorry. If I since I have a demo ID and password for this account, I'm just gonna enter those. So for okay, the password is there. You go. So remember one thing: as soon as it logs in, it actually captures all the previous messages those are sent to you. Okay, so even though you were not part of the house earlier, but if your number is registered, all the messages to the private or public channel which are there are passed on to you. So if you're opening this for the first time, just to tell you, this is the room section. A predefined room for your particular house is there with all the house members in it. From there on, you have to create your own room. So, for example, there is a marketing department which you're part of, and you would like to create a room. You just click on the rooms icon there. So I'll just go back, open the drawer. Drawer is nothing but those three horizontal lines next to messages icon at the top. Okay, the messages, I click on that, it opens this drawer window. All the menu items, like all the options, all the shortcuts are here. Okay, so in the room section, if you click on the text which says rooms, it takes you here. It has a list of all the rooms that you are part of. If you want to select search a particular room, you can search as well. So if you write, click on the search icon there, and that's it. You can search it. Now if you want to add a new room, then you have to click on the plus sign there at the bottom. Click on the plus sign, it takes you here. There's a picture. Okay, so you click on the small pen icon or edit icon next to those pictures, and it will ask you whether you want to take a picture or select a picture. So I would say I will take a picture. Okay, just once. So let me take, this is our workstation, let me take a picture of that. It's quite messy, I just have to take JPL. Okay, and this is the soundbox. I click on that tick, and that's it. It sets the icon for the room. I would like to put the room name as marketing, JBL. Okay, just that I know. Now there is a checkbox which asks you to make it private or public. If you click on private, this will not be visible to anyone other than those who are invited. If you don't check this box, it will be visible to everyone. Okay, so I would rather keep it private. Click on this plus sign to add members, and I'll add myself. There are two accounts that I created for myself. Both of them are demo accounts, and I just say test here. You can put any description, doesn't matter actually. Just for yourself, it is creating the channel. Now the channel is created. and I have got an invitation as well. Okay, on my phone it says house invited to new channel. Okay, I click on it, marketing JBL. Let me see if I can type something here. I, yes, I go to messages. Oh, I already got a hi. Hi, hey. Okay, I go back to some other channel which is there. Hi. So here's the deal. Okay, if there is an exclamation mark uh, right above any message, that means you have not sent that message successfully. Just click on that, it resends it. Okay, so for example my internet is down. I'll just uh, if I stop my internet working. Okay, and it's still on. Oh, mobile data, sorry. Okay, I stopped my mobile data now. It says not connected. If I click on hi, just or whatever. Okay, these messages are not gone because there's a clock sign out there, right? Now what happens? Let me bring back the network. I turn on the mobile data and let's see what happens. Now the mobile network is there. The clock sign is also still there. Okay, it tries for a while and then yeah. So this one is sent. The one which we have sent. Go back and see. If I go back and open that, there are two exclamatory signs out there, right? I just have to click on those exclamatory signs. Okay, it sends again. It sends again. Yeah. So I've received all the messages. So that's about messaging. If you want to do a one-on-one message, now I'll explain all these small icons which are there. The first one is messages, which we just saw. The next one is profile. If you click on profile, you can see your profile. You click on this red pen icon there, and you can edit that. The small star thing, I'll explain that later. But just remember that you have got, so this profile has got 85 stars. So essentially, if I have to take a picture, take picture, and so I'll take a picture just once. Okay, click on this. That sets my profile pic. Okay, all right. Status not set. I don't mind. I mean, hi. I put the status, and everything is done. I click on the tick. It uploads everything. It uploads my profile, and the update is successful. Okay, so this is about the profile. Oops, sorry. I just clicked on it twice. Okay, next one is task and projects. So above there, there is where it's written task. There is a small option. If you click on that, it gives you two things: task and projects. Okay. Now, if you want to switch between task to project, this is the only way where you can switch it. Okay. Now, if you click on projects, there's already a project which is running. You can see if there is a task which is there, the task is complete, so you don't have to really worry about anything. But if you want to create a new project, you click on the plus sign there. So everywhere you see this plus sign, it's like you have to click on it to create a new event in that particular category. So here in projects, if you click on this plus sign, that will create a new project. Okay, you click on the project name is test 28. Okay, I click on that add member. click on the small icon and I add Abhishek, I add Anikit, I add Chit. Click it. I then click on 29th and the end date is 30th. Okay, and I describe it as hi. Now that has created a project, but project cannot be single-handed, right? Project should have some tasks in it. So as soon as you create a project, it asks you to create task, and it is mandatory to create your first task. Otherwise, you'll not be able to create a project. So I would say first task and hi. This is, you can decide the criticality of the project, priority of the project, whether sorry, task, whether it's high, low, medium, critical. Okay, if you say critical and you assign it to million. Okay, you assign it to million, and task can be assigned to only one person, right? And that's the condition that we have kept in the app itself, that you cannot assign a task to more than one person. You take the start date, you keep the end date as tomorrow, start time as so 11 12 p.m. Okay, end time as same tomorrow, and there is an add reminder. Okay, either you can put reminders in days. So if there's a task for next 10 days, you can keep a reminder every day. So every day a notification will be sent to the recipient of the one who is going to execute the task, that hey, this is the task which is pending for you. Or you can put in minutes, but that's going to be too many reminders for him. And the idea behind this is, most of the times the tasks are not completed because they are not reminded at a set frequency, and we are automating this by putting machine to remind it than a man to remind a person. Yeah, so I put say 20 minutes as this thing reminder. I click on the tick, it creates the task, it creates the project, and it has assigned it to me. Okay, now that there's a task, so it says that this task has this project has one task. Okay, and I have got the task here. Okay, so I have got the task here. I am putting something here, so I write hi. I didn't understand it. So as a task assignee, you get these comments from the one who is going to complete this task, that he says, hi, I didn't understand this task. Okay, so I will clarify that you have to um, get a new message, probably. Okay, you can also attach a file if you want, but that's just, you can click on that small file icon and you can put it here. Okay, uploading the file will take a while because the file size is huge. Okay, the comment is sent successful, and I have also written this. Okay, now these two things have come to me. I open them. Okay, I have got this, and okay, I've completed the task. Okay, now if I complete the task on my phone, all right, it says okay, the task is completed. It asks me to rate. Now, do you remember those stars which I said, I'll come back to you later on the profile field? So, these are the stars. Okay, if you finish a critical task with 5 stars, you get 50 points upfront. If you finish a high priority task with 5 stars, you get 35 points. So there is an algorithm which is written which calculates this task. So I think Milind has completed this task without any this thing. So I got stars. I got 0 stars for this. Okay. Now I will assign a task to this user so that you will come to know as a recipient how it works. I go to task management. I click new task. Okay, new test Neha. Okay, hi. Description is hi. Remember to put field. I assign a load task to Neha and assign start time today, end time tomorrow, start time at 1 o'clock, end time same 12. Add a reminder 10 minutes. Okay, so okay, if I go to the task, I think the app was open while I clicked something. Okay, so this is the new task that I have assigned, new test Neha. So okay, I got the name, I got the description. It's a low priority task. I already I said okay, I will do it today. I just comment something here, okay, and I got the comment. I go back, I do that task, and I come back here. Now you can see a red icon which has a writing pad and a tick above it. Click on that, that completes the task. So if you have completed the task, you click on here, update successful. I got a notification on other phone that the task is completed. I have to rate. This time Neha has done a great job, so I'll rate her 5 stars. Rate now. Okay. Now I've got a notification rating update by Milan. Yes, so it was 85. Now a low task done with the 5 stars. She has got 5 more points. So you just saw that the rating has been updated from 85 to 90. So this is about task and projects. It's a very cool feature or the core feature of the app. Next one is dashboard. This is a dashboard is nothing but a notice board kind of a thing where we are going to upload. You can upload certain small images of KPIs, and those are seen here. Uh, these KPIs are uploaded from the backend admin module, which will be given access to only selected people in the organization. Now, click on the next item is ride. If you click on ride, it asks you okay, allow. So it does nothing but it, you can put a Uber ride, you can book an Uber ride here from the app itself. So the idea behind this is in future we are going to also send messages once the ride is booked. We are not doing it now. It's just a plain ride thing which is there. So if I go to Uber Go is available. If I select, I can open the cab. I go back and to the next one. Next one is meetings. This is also a cool feature. Uh, Next to meetings, on the right hand side, you can see a small arrow kind of a thing. You click on that, you can see three options: all, past, and scheduled. So this actually filter, right? So if you click on scheduled, it says no meeting found. Okay, so as usual, to add a meeting, you have to click on that plus sign. The meeting name test, and meeting place is home. Agenda high. Start date is now. Start time is 12:09. End time is 1. Okay, add members. I add myself here again and click OK. Click on the tick. Schedule the meeting. Allow access calendar. Allow. So what it does, it has sent me a meeting invite here. I've got a meeting invite right at the house, and it has also, if you can see this, there is a calendar invite which is there as a part of it. So I have got a calendar invite, and even the person who has sent this meeting to me, she has got a calendar invite. Now the meeting is over, and I want to put certain points here, like in whatever was discussed. So point number one was designs to be submitted by Friday, and second is reduce cost, just like that. These are the regular problems that we face. Okay, click on here, and those things are gone. So this is your very own minutes of meeting, right? Okay, this is the calendar is not gonna go away. Yeah, so I have got this detailed minutes of meeting as well. So you don't have to really send another email because it's gonna stay here for quite some time. So whatever meeting that you have attended, if you go to past the older meeting, yes, so you can see all the comment that you are part of, right? But it's only for the meeting that you were invited, not for all the meetings. Yeah. Next one is members. I have already shown. Oh, not. I don't. I don't think I have told you the screen. So here you can see the members directory. You can search for a member Sanjay and Milan. Okay. You can. There is a small heart sign out there. If you click on that, it the member is added as favorite. Go to the favorite member. That member is added. One more thing is next to that person you can see the number of stars which are there, which the person has earned. So that's about that. So for example, if I click on Prabhat and I click here, adding to favorites. So Prabhat is in my favorite list. Click on there and you can see his profile. Now, one more thing, if you go to a members list and go to my profile, and you can see two small icons there. One on the right side with a circle and small three dots. If you click on that, it actually starts the instant messaging there, right? And if you go back in members and you come here, if you click on small, if you click on small camera sign there, it starts a call. Okay. Oh shit! I The other phone has lost the connection. Wait a minute. Let me put on a bad broadband and try one more time. Oh, sorry. I was trying the account which is not part of. Let me see which account is this. Okay, let me try calling that person. Okay. Yeah, so I've received the call. I'm not so sure. I was dialing another number. Okay, so I click on here. It accepts the call. If I just click once on the green icon and it accepts the call. Okay. So that's me on both the phones. Yeah. All right, I've ended the conversation. So that's about making a video call. Now I'll show you how to make. Okay. Now one more thing is the feedback. The feedback is an anonymous feedback which is sent right to your organization without any, without say, knowing that they know about all this. So for example, if you face any uh, it's kind of a whistleblow anonymous message that you would like to share feedback about the organization or about the wrong things that is happening around you, like there is a bribery case in marketing, but ensure that if this is too much serious thing, there is a possibility that your organization can find out about it. Yeah. All right. So this is done. So if you want to make a video conference or audio conference here, there is a call button. If you go to any channel, okay, say there is a room which has, this is a general room. You go to any channel, you click on the call button and you click on the plus sign here. It adds all the people. So I think this is the second million. I have put the same. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. No, I think again I have. One second, I'll just try with the first one. Yeah, I've got a call. I answer it. Okay, so uh, there are two buttons out here. Okay, both of them are on a very low network. Okay, so if I have to mute your mic, you just can click on the mic icon here. If you don't want to show your camera, you can click on the camera. That just makes audio call, but you can still see uh, you know the person on other end's message. I click on the end, conversation ends. Yeah, so that's about the video call. Video call is still in the beta. You might have little issues with it, but okay, one more cool feature that we have here, I think I should explain. If you want to address a very specific person in the room, so there are like 23 people in this room, but I would like to address say at Himangini or probably HE. So it, if you put certain letter, it pops up the name. Click on that. Probably at Sanjay Shah. Hi, can you okay, hi, are you around? Okay, so that's that. I think I've covered most of the things. And okay, if you want to transfer a file to the group, you can just click on the small pin icon there. Okay, it will ask you whether you want to take a photo or upload file. A great news is we are uploading photographs in a compressed way, so you can take as many photographs and as you want and just send it to them. Okay, you click on that. So this will be sent to everyone. It's uploading file. Okay, it's 49 KB. And if you want to transfer a file which is already on your phone, you click on upload a file. There are lots of files here. You can upload video, audio, images. Yeah, and that's it. So that is that, guys. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll put one more sleek video about the tutorial. Yeah, thank you so much.